Hello everyone, this is Abdullah Shafia and I'm back with another video. So today I want to share with you something that I wish I knew before when I started freelancing and also coaching people online. The main thing is that have you ever been in a position where you're speaking to someone or a potential client and you are talking more about the 101 projects that you have done, and you're also talking about how many programming language that you know, and you talk about how many frameworks that you know, and you are doing that from a point of view that if I get them to know how good I am, I will ended up having them as my clients or work with them. But most of the time that is not the case, because at this point you are actually talking about yourself and not focusing on the other person or this potential client problems. You are talking about how good you are instead of what are the problems that this person is facing. So what I found out is that we need to spend much time uh, asking them questions about why are they even on the phone with us, why are we even talking here, because no one just wants to learn something. All right, no one just wants to learn coding like just for fun. If it's just for fun, maybe you could go just for YouTube, could learn here and there. I even so when someone is like speaking with you directly, or he wants to build a website, speaking with you, they having that problem. They don't just want to learn to code, but they actually want to, maybe they want to learn to code to get a better job. Maybe they want to learn to code to build that website that for their business or something, or they are speaking with you to help them build that business website for them to attract more leads or something like that. So when you focus more into what they are looking for, then you ask them questions about that. You get to know all of these things. Now you are not an expense for them to learn code or to build a website. Now you are the someone who is going to help them get to that level, maybe achieve, get that new job, or build that websites for them to get better results of their business, or which is going to help them in the personal brand or whatever. When you focus on that, you don't become an expense, but you become like the solution for this problem. And when you position yourself in that way, you will not you will not face that position where you are uh, an expense for them, but you will be the solution for their problem. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you in this video, because I had this problem before, but now I focus more into learning how do I like sell myself, and this is something you could learn too. There are many books into this, and also you can find a lot of resources that online. I will be sharing more about this topic more into the future videos, because I really didn't find a lot of people talking about this, or maybe there are people talking about it, but I didn't seem to get it until I spent a lot of time into it. So with all that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got a lot of value out of it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.